Okay. Is it okay if I pull your pants
Yeah,
down a little bit? So I'm gonna pull them down to about there. And then this is the way Heather taught me was to do lines going straight up and just do these 5 lines. Like women, their sacrum's gonna be somewhere like that to that. So figuring out where her sacrum border is. And then I'm just really slowly, I usually start really low and just kind of warm the area. It feels so good. So you could do this for low sex drive. You could do this for low back pain, any kidney yang deficiency. This is going to be very helpful. Male or female, they love this. It just feels so warm and yummy to do. Yeah, so I just keep checking in, make sure I'm not overheating her. You tell me if anything's too warm. Yeah. We knocked her out. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, you could do circles, you could do however you want, but sometimes I'll feel to see if like the GB30 is cold and I'll warm that. So I'm just warming, warming, warming. And then a lot of times I would warm her feet. I'd start with kidney 1. I'd go up the yin lower leg and I would warm all of that too if she's really cold. That is Moxa Sacral fan.
Yes.